So my second question is that how can I take a concept and teach it to my friends or peer that they haven't heard of? So that is very important thing. As industry is going to the next level, technology is going to the higher levels, so we also need to modify according to them, not just rely on college studies. So what we will do is, first of all, I would research on the courses that are going uh, at a really great demand in the industry, and I will inform all the students by the social media platform, and I will tell them the importance of a particular course. And then I would try to organize an event regarding that topic, and I will first of all master that, and then I will teach that to the community that will come to an event that will be organized by us. So that would be much greater. And the event will be at a um, it should not be so much big and it should not be so small. We will be accommodating them in a hall, and we will teach them with the help of projectors, so that they will able to understand, and we will make some interactive sessions as well, question answer rounds as well, so that they can their doubt can also get cleared at the same time. And the main important thing is that they haven't heard of that courses should must be there, so that they can also able to cope up with that, and they should also know that what the present situation going on in the industry, and they will also modify their skills according to that. So my motive is to make them learn about the new skills, so that they can get good placements, good internships, and obviously they can get a good career as well. So thank you very much.